So a lot of people have asked me how to put those tank guards and also these crash guards. So a lot of people have told me already that they have ordered these from Aliexpress and bought it from Bangkok, but they don't know how to install it because there were no instructions given. So I would just like to show you some of the screws on where it goes so it's easier for the people to install it. Just like that. This goes like this, and then one more frame goes from here till down here. I haven't added that yet, and the back goes like this. So you have to take this what do you call these, this horn off, and then mount it in this one, in this. This is how it looks. This is how it looks at the back. Yeah. And then on the side. So this is what I'm talking about. I haven't put this frame on the other side. I'll be putting it soon, but this is how it. This is where it goes. This frame. And then this is the same thing. And this one goes bottom here at the down. Like that. And also from the other side, you can see that it goes down like that, right here. Yeah. So this is how you put in. I hope it helped you, so you'll be able to install it easily.